Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do. So then all you have to do. So you just click here on settings, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on accessibility, click on it here, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to answer button says, and here can you select it in this list on your AnkiDroid app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.